I turned this into this. This is BeatMe, my original clock DIY Eurorack Arduino driven Eurorack type module. And I liked it. It worked really well, but it was big and bulky. And recently I discovered that, unfortunately, I don't like the sounds I was getting with my current circuit for my various drum voices. And I need to go back to formula and essentially come up with a better circuit than what I have for getting good sound out of an Arduino Nano, or hopefully getting good sound. So since I had to redesign these anyway, I was like, why not go super duper slim? So this is going to be the new DrumFck module, the new kick sound. Because, yeah, I was figuring, well, I got to redo this whole thing anyway. Why not go from something bulky like this to something nice and slim? I'm kind of obsessed with small modules anyway. In terms of actual Eurorack, I find myself drawn to modules like 2HP and similar, the ultra slim, ultra compact, and that's exactly what I did here. Now, since this is just a logic, it's just a clock module, there isn't any analog audio that I need to get out of the Arduino Nano, because it's pure logic. So this was pretty easy to shrink down and a good starting point, and this is what I built. Now just compare, the size and also the messiness. I definitely got better at organizing my cables, my wires, and everything inside. And it's 1/3 the size. Now, of course, it's not going to have any cool artwork like some of the artwork I was designing for future panels. It's going to be harder to cram that in. And even labeling, I just kind of shoved it off to the side. But I really like how this turned out. I mean, this is tiny. Since this is my own, I guess, Eurorack-style standard, it's not true Eurorack, it's actually smaller. So this isn't 3U tall. It's only 120 millimeters tall. So it's extra tiny, but this is enough space for me to fit all 8 inputs, outputs that I have for all my modules and the board. Previously I stacked the board parallel to the panel, and now I have it actually sort of inserted vertically and in line with the 1/3 size panel. So in general, I think this is an improvement in a lot of ways, and it'll be really cool once I get a bunch of instruments here. I'll literally have a Eurorack that I can fit in the palm of my hand, power supply and everything. So I just wanted to share that I was really excited. I have tested this out. This one works. Now, considering the new actual sound generations are going to need a whole new thing, a whole new circuit. Will I be able to fit this into a tiny little space? Don't know, but that'll be half the fun. So if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe. I'll definitely keep you updated, but going forward, probably my modules, if I can pull it off, will look like this. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.